All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our end of day watch list. Let's jump right into it. All right, so the first one here is from a request from this morning for NAC. This is Northern Dynasty Minerals. The ticker is NAK. And you can see that you've had initial rally alert back here, and then you had two more. And then today you get this massive upside production. So NAC is really starting to show some things here, and it's giving us another rally alert for tomorrow's trading. So NAC is trying to do a little something here. It really broke down, as you can see back here, with that bearish trend momentum reading, and then it just bottomed out and took off. So way to go on NAC. If anyone's been riding this one, trading this one, there's your buy. If you're waiting for your buy signal, you just got it. So ride those waves until it's over. All right, next we're going to take a look at, let's see who's next. Let's take a look at Theta. And as you know, we had this crash alert coming into today. And the market looks like it's getting ready to give you some downside production starting tomorrow, tonight into tomorrow, because we got a negative bot check, folks. So that means a big down surge is coming, big down leg coming in your theta. XRP Ripple has a bearish trend momentum reading. We have this crash alert right here for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Top of the Kumo cloud, back to testing that 60 cent support. So as long as that holds, maybe the market will just move sideways until it's ready to make another run higher. But at this point, it could be also that the run is over. Maybe it's topped out. Maybe that's all it was able to give you. So be forewarned on that. If you're long that, you may want to tighten up some stops, lock in some profit. On ZEC or Zcash, still has a bullish trend momentum reading. Market's still moving sideways here after giving you some initial upside production on the rally alert. You're still in bear market rally land. So as long as this bullish trend momentum reading continues to play out, the bear market rally still has a chance to go higher for Zcash. As far as what's going on, we got reports coming out tomorrow and Friday. So this will affect some things. All right. So gold basically sideways today. You still have a bearish trend momentum reading. We are expecting some downside over the next couple of days, and that will put the market to the test. Can it stay above 2100? Or is the market about to correct? Then you have to ask yourself the other fair question, well, what about silver? Silver still has a bullish trend momentum reading and it's trying to poke itself higher. It has erased its feelings about the crash alert. So no downside production. The market has erased that alert. As you can see, it is gone. The market has locked itself in. And the bull market has now reclaimed the price action officially. So this one is ready to run the 26 and then some. Next, you got to take a look at what about the US dollar with all these, government reports coming out. Well, here is your dollar. It's in the Kumo cloud. We still got this positive bot check to talk about. Big up leg upsurge is coming, so downside will be limited with this bullish trend momentum reading extending out further. I think the bear market rally is not yet done in the US dollar, so I'm expecting it to go higher. Now, something interesting, if you notice, the Russell and the NASDAQ. So let's go with the Russell first. The Russell here has a bearish trend momentum reading. You did get some initial downside production from the crash alert. So this market is threatening to roll over and test the psychological support of 2000. If you take a look at the NASDAQ, all right, it still has a bearish trend momentum reading as well. It has not given you any downside production yet, though. So it can still reverse and break out higher. The Russell can do it too because they haven't really, done a whole lot yet after giving the initial crash alerts. And you still got some time. Tomorrow and Friday will definitely determine if these markets are going to turn or what. Because when you look at the S&P and the Dow, there is no weakness, there is no crash alerts, and it's just wide open upside. So I'm thinking that the NASDAQ and Russell will probably break out as well. When we take a look here at the Dow too has no weakness on the chart, and it's hitting new 52-week highs almost every day as it's marching to 40K. All right, so I think that's what's going to happen. And for a time, the Russell and the NASDAQ could be the weaker ones, trying to say the market's about to head lower after the Dow and the S&P have a blow off top or something. So that's possible. And then you look over here at Bitcoin and you'll notice new 52-week highs too. Market just still wide open. No quit in it after hitting 74K. No quit. Looks like it wants to run to 80. And then when you contrast this with Ethereum, it's looking the same. They are moving together as the Ethereum breaks above 4K. So the markets are looking strong in the arm right now. With the exception of the stock indices, some mixed feelings there. We got government reports coming out tomorrow that could change a few things. So we'll have to see about that. All right, so now it's time to go private. Remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And on that note, it's time to go private and put on some trades for tomorrow's government reports. And that's what we're going to do right now. All right, so